Punjab, the land of 5 rivers, also known for its rich culture and heritage of India. The oldest city of Punjab is Ludhiana, which is well connected with any part of India by road, by train, by flight. In the year of 1881, two evangelists and educationists from Scotland, Miss Martha Rose and Miss K. Greenfield, started missionary work in Ludhiana. Initially, they started giving training to women for medical services. In the year of 1893, famous doctors from England, Dr. Edith Mary Brown, they joined hands with Greenfield sisters, Miss Martha Rose and Miss K. Greenfield. They was popularly known as Greenfield sisters. They joined and they started Asia's first medical institutions for women called North Indian School of Medical Science for Christian Women. In the year of 1953, this institution renamed as Christian Medical College Ludhiana and they upgraded for MBBS course. Initially, they are giving training only for the women, but after 1953, when Christian Medical College Ludhiana started, that time they used to provide medical course, MBBS course for both men and women. After the death of Dr. Edith Mary Brown, who was the founder of Christian Medical College, the particular hospital's name renamed as Brown Memorial Hospital, and the place where Christian Medical College situated, that place named Brown Road. Today also, if you search Christian Medical College Ludhiana, you will see Brown Road will come. In today's video, I'll be giving the complete information regarding MBBS admission of Christian Medical College, Ludhiana. Myself, Ayan Ghosh, I am from Careermudhra, Bangalore. Student, if you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So whenever we'll be uploading any video, immediately you'll be getting the notification. So let's start with the informations of CMC Ludhiana. Total number of seats in CMC Ludhiana is 100 seats. Total seats in CMC Ludhiana is 100 seats. Within this 100 seats, if you see the category, it is very important. The category code 1, where only 16 seats are there. In this 16 seats, 11 seats are for Punjab state, where the open category student of Punjab can participate and can take the admission. Only 5 seats are for all India students who belong to the open category. So total 16 seats are there within the 100 seats, where 11 seats for Punjab state exclusively for the open category students of Punjab and 5 seats for all India student open category. Second is category 2. This category is completely for the student who belong to the Christian minority with service commitment. What kind of service commitment? If you have done MBBS from CMC Ludhiana, then you have to serve 2 years service in mission hospital connected with CMC Ludhiana. Under this 2 category, total 64 seats are there, and under this 2 category, these 64 seats are distributed. More precisely, it is reserved for different state students of India. Give an example like 2A category. It is 20 seats are there, which is exclusively for the students of Punjab who belong to the Christian minority and who come under this category, Christian minority with service commitment. So Punjab students, Christian minority with service commitment, their seats are 20. Next is B category. If you see the B category for the states Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu and Telangana. From those states, the student who belong to Christian minority and they are ready to serve 2 years in mission hospitals, they can take admission in this 2B category. In C category, Goa, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Diu and Daman, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Rajasthan and Lakshadweep. Those students who belong to Christian minority, they are ready to serve for 2 years in a mission hospital, they can apply there. Next, D. Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Island, they belong to the D category. E category, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, Tripura, these all the states belong to E category. If Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Delhi, Haryana, Chandigarh. These all states students are eligible for category 2. Under the category 2, there are many subcategories, 2A, 2B, 2C, 2D, 2E, 2F, 2G kind of thing. But they all have to come under the Christian minority and they should be having the service commitment. So you see the distribution of the seat. As I told you, for Punjab students who are coming under the Christian minority service commitment, 20 seats are there. B, I told you which states comes under the B. There 8 seats are coming. So all the states, 8 seats are there. G category. G category is exclusively coming under the reach of CMC Ludhiana. See here it is mentioned. That is a special category. Service commitment with CMC Ludhiana and 8 outreach centers. That is G category. So in this G category, only 4 seats are coming. For the student who belongs to SC, ST of Punjab, not necessarily they have to be Christian. For normal student who belongs to SC, ST from Punjab, for them also 4 seats are reserved. For OBC candidate, 1 seat is reserved. For NRI candidate, 15 seats are reserved. So this is the complete seat distributions of CMC Ludhiana. Next is the affiliated institutions, universities. The CMC Ludhiana is affiliated by Baba Farid University of Health Science Faridkot, Punjab. They conduct the complete counseling and admission process for admissions in CMC Ludhiana. So once the NEET result will be published, after that the Baba Farid University, they will start the counseling for admission in CMC Ludhiana. You have to participate in the counseling process and through the counseling only you will be getting the seat according to your NEET rank. Also the degree what you will be getting from CMC Ludhiana, that will also be coming from Baba Farid University. The hospital, as I told you in the beginning, the name of the hospital is Brown Memorial Hospital, is known right now as CMC Hospital, has 720 beds with the latest technology and the most competent doctors serving a wide area of population of North India. Now, open category student, open category, any student is eligible. Throughout the India, any student is eligible for the open category. According to their NEET rank, they will participate. For the student who comes under the Christian minority with service commitment, they should have the baptism certificate. Later, from the church membership, I will show you the format of the letter. A letter of service commitment. I told you there should be having a 2 years of service commitment in different mission hospitals. So the letter should be there for the service commitment, and the other document which is required. So all those documents are required for this particular category, Christian minority service commitment. Also the domicile certificate is required. As I told you, for different category A, B, C, D, E, F, G, different category, the students comes and within the different states, like some are from the South Indian state like Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka. So they should be having the proper domicile certificate, then only they are eligible for that. All the students who will be applying under the Christian minority, they should pass the Bible test with minimum 40% score. Otherwise, they are not eligible for that particular category. And in the Bible test, they will be having 3 choices: There will be 50 questions will be there. So there will be having particular format of the exam, and this exam will be conducted in different part of India. There will be having many centers in different part of India. Not necessary you have to come to Ludhiana for appearing the test. No, the exam will be conducted in different part of India. So domicile certificate is required. As I told you, the domicile certificate is required. Now I'm coming to the fees part of CMC Ludhiana. CMC Ludhiana first year fees is 6,60,000. This is the fees of 2024. 6,60,000. Second year is 7,26,000. Third year is 7,98,000. Fourth year is 8,78,000. Fifth year is 9,66,000. Altogether, if you see, it will be within the range of 37 lakhs to 40 lakhs. Within that range, the complete fee structure will come. Hostel fees also, it is a very reasonable hostel fees that will also you have to pay the hostel fees along with this fees. Now the student who are coming under the Christian Minority Service Commitment, they may get a subsidy of the fees based on the income of their parents. They may get. Next is the important document which is required. That is, at the time of admissions, which all document is required? Their hall ticket is required, age, date of birth proof is required, +2 marks card is required, migration certificate, for Punjab student, Punjab domicile certificate is required, character certificate, behavioral certificate, domicile or residency certificate. Now for the student who are applying for Christian minority, for them church membership certificate, baptism certificate, all the certificates are required. For SC/ST candidate, the caste certificate is required. Okay, so these all certificates are required primarily at the time of admission process. I shown you the church membership certificate, the format, and which all authority they can give the this certificate. That is also mentioned in there. We'll give this all information in the description. You can go through that. Okay. Now I'll tell you what is the admission process and what was the last year NEET cutoff rank and the score. Admission process is through Baba Farid University of Medical Science, that is at Faridkot. They will conduct the counseling after the NEET result. So you have to do the registration, you have to participate in the counseling, you have to do choice filling according to your NEET rank, it will be allotted. I'll give you an idea how much score is required or how much rank is required for taking admission in CMC Ludhiana. In different categories are there, as you know, in different categories. Open quota all India means the student from different part of India in that particular category, 11,890 was the round 1 cutoff. Here I have mentioned round 1 cutoff, maybe for the round it may little vary. So round 1 cutoff was 11,890 and the score was in 2024 671. Open quota, open category student for Punjab domicile, open category student, it was 34,136. NEET score is 641. Minority quota, as I told, Christian minority 2A category, 8,34,767. This is the rank. Score is 233. See, in this 2A belongs to the Punjab state candidate who belongs to the Christian minority. So if a student belong to Punjab and who comes under the Christian minority, for them it is a very good symbol. They may get CMC Ludhiana even the less score also. Minority quota 2B, 86,849. NEET score is 592. Minority quota 2C, 1,78,249 and the NEET score is 519. Minority quota 2D, 2,72,166 and NEET score is 456. Minority quota 2E, 2,98,706 and the NEET score 440. Minority quota 2F, 1,71,163, 524 NEET score. Minority quota 2G, 1,01,116 and 579. Open category for the student of Punjab. OBC student 64,514. The student who belongs to Punjab under Christian minority. OBC candidate, their rank was 64,514. 611 was the NEET score. The student who belongs to Punjab, Christian minority open quota, SC or ST candidate, 2,56,015 and the NEET score was 466. This is the cutoff of CMC Ludhiana of 2024 round 1. Further round, there might be having minor changes. It may happen, but from here you will get a complete idea how much score or how much rank is required precisely to take admission in CMC Ludhiana. Student, if you are looking for admission in CMC Ludhiana, you can take our guidance. We'll guide you for complete admission process through the Baba Farid University counseling. Student, hope this video gives you a complete information regarding the MBBS admission process in CMC Ludhiana. If you feel this video is beneficial for you, you can like this video, you can share this video with your friends. If you are not yet subscribed this YouTube channel, you can subscribe the YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. You can give your valuable comment on the comment sections of this video. Thank you so much, students.